Wind turbines will help pick this selection off the ground. By the way, both pros and amateurs make them. For example, an inventor from Australia built this turbine. The meter-long cylinder will easily fit even on the roof of a small house. If you add solar panels, you can provide energy for the whole house. Not in vain, similar projects are implemented on an industrial scale. This model, called the Ridge-Blade, went into production. It's ideal for pitched roofs. A clever focusing system allows it to work with a more powerful airflow and get up to 9 times more energy. Ridge-Blade reaches its full power at wind speeds of 11 meters per second, and the construction can withstand even a storm, say the creators. At the moment, he's testing different blades to increase the power output, but such turbines could certainly transform the appearance of a house. This drone is a fresh approach to same-day delivery for any business. The fully autonomous drone boasts a range of 966 kilometers and carries up to 227 kilograms of cargo at up to 241 kilometers per hour, so it can deliver parcels 3 times faster than by car. The drone measures 4 by 5 meters and takes up 2 parking spaces. And since the vehicle is able to take off and land vertically, you don't have to modify these spaces, and the drone will do the rest itself. In case of problems, the experts from MightyFly, the supplier company, will come to help. Experts also have something interesting to offer. An institute developed a prototype of a robot ready to take the place of loaders. The design is based on an inverted pendulum. The lower part is responsible for balance and the upper part for handling loads. Therefore, the robot is compact, maneuverable, and very fast. It speeds up to 10 meters per second. Instead of suction cups, it picks up loads with its grippers. The smart system knows by itself how much force to apply. This robot can be used not only in warehouses but also in hospitals, as it has no problem pushing and pulling carts and beds. In the future, engineers will add even more cool options. For example, they will perfect the rollover function and the transfer of loads directly into your hands. Continuing with the movie theme, hologram projectors from the Star Wars universe seemed unbelievable in the past. But today, anyone can buy an even cooler one. The model on the screen is inspired by the Rubik's Cube, Transformers, and Cyberpunk. It has several functions: projector, speaker, lighting, and mini holograms. The latter are created with water mist, and the 130 milliliter tank is enough for an hour. The lighting adjusts to the sound and changes depending on the frequency range. The price starts at $80, and there are plenty of buyers. Over $30,000 have been raised through Kickstarter alone. The rise of the machines. According to Terminator, it was supposed to happen back in 1997. However, so far, the machines behave themselves, but engineering teams all over the world are tirelessly upgrading them. For instance, how do you like this system that turns any excavator into an autonomous robot? It is mounted in the back of the machine in just a couple of hours. And you also need to set up beacons on the side. And then you just need to upload the tasks, and the robotic excavator will do them. The manual control remains functional. The app will inform you about the work progress. And if there's an obstacle, the machine will stop in less than a second. In addition, the tasks will be precise to the centimeter. Why not make a system that turns steps into energy? Easy, it's already on the screens. Tiles are already installed in different places all over the world, from London to the United Arab Emirates. They work simply. The upper part sags by about 5 to 10 millimeters, and the pressure initiates the rotation of electromagnetic generators, which produces a current. The efficiency is quite good. 10,000 people will provide lighting for a given area, for example a shopping mall or a train station, for the whole night. These tiles can even be made from recycled car tires. The energy revolution is up and running, the designers conclude. To reinvent airplanes, you only need a bladeless engine, and the United States Air Force might be interested in your product. Here's a simplified explanation of the idea. Take a compressed airstream and make it drag 15 times more. Engineers combine gas turbine generators with fluidic propulsion, and the system works well. The test results showed a 50% drop in fuel consumption, a 10% increase in tractio dot, and the system is 30% lighter than the classic design, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing. The team reports that the development is suitable for aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight of up to 4.5 tons. They also mentioned that they've started to cooperate with the US military. We haven't forgotten about car owners. Check out this system. It allows you to quickly measure the depth of the tire tread. Simply drive over it at a speed of up to 8 km/h, and all of the data will appear in the app in a very clear way so that you can easily print it out and show it to the clients. For example, the app will not only show the degree of wear but also its causes, and mechanics can quickly exchange data via local or wireless communication in the workshop network. The tread depth, by the way, determines braking distance and steering dot, so this system is an ideal complement to any car repair shop to provide an advantage over competitors. Welcome the future with Samson Sky, the American company that now accepts reservations for their flying cars. For around $170,000, customers can own a 2-in-1 vehicle that can function as both a car and an airplane. On the road, it can reach top speeds of about 200 km/h, while in the air, it can fly up to 305 km/h. The range for this vehicle is 724 km, and it only takes 3 minutes to transform it from a car to an airplane or vice versa. However, a suitable location for takeoff, such as a straight runway of at least 335 meters, must be found. If German robots make it to hospitals, they may be joined by their Japanese counterparts. Since 2018, these hardworking robots have been operating in some Japanese nursing homes. They're responsible for food and medication delivery, UV disinfection, and monitoring. These mechanical workers help reduce the workload of staff without losing quality of service. Hotels are also considering these robots because they can use elevators and understand voice commands. Additionally, they can see in the dark and their angle of vision is 360 degrees. Troublemakers will be caught immediately by the camera, and they can be easily controlled even with a smartphone. For example, you can talk to the patient by two-way. Please note that two-way should be two-way communication. The Chinese Design Competition Intelligence Award invited participants to showcase innovations and compete for a $750,000 prize fund. One of the creative projects is a system that upgrades ditches by catching mosquitoes. The system uses compact solar panels shaped as hexagonal elements to power a mini turbine that sucks in insects. A special filter also catches unpleasant sewage odors. Upgrading the ditch not only catches mosquitoes, but also improves its primary function by reducing clogging with large debris. This man poured water into his headphones to test them. But don't panic. It's actually a new ear cleaning system. Currently, it's only available for doctors, but the manufacturer promises a model for home use in the future. The function of the system is to remove excess earwax, which can lead to hearing impairment and discomfort. The special nozzles spray water onto the walls of the ear canal and then suction it out along with the earwax. According to tests, even in complicated cases, the procedure takes about 5 minutes, and one charge is enough for 50 sessions. The nozzles and containers are disposable, and the other parts can be easily cleaned with alcohol wipes. However, the price is pretty hefty for now at $2,753.